Spear phishing is a cybercrime that uses email to carry out targeted attacks against individuals and businesses. Cybercriminals collect relevant information about their target's professional or personal life before an attack and later insert them into messages. This is what differs from the impersonal, bulk email nature of typical phishing scams. Because of this, spear phishing messages feel more trustworthy, which makes them difficult to detect. A spear phishing email often contains a malicious link to malware or will ask the recipient for an immediate response to an urgent matter, such as sending a payment for an outstanding invoice. To keep your data safe, never click on suspicious links or open or download unexpected attachments, even if the sender information and message tone sound familiar. Also, avoid sending sensitive information such as account credentials or banking information in reply to an urgently worded message.